Ever dreamed of a place with no traffic jams, no honking horns, just the sound of waves and birds? Welcome back to TravelFacts. Today, we're escaping the noise and exploring 10 incredible islands where cars are completely banned. These are peaceful paradises where nature rules, people walk, and life truly slows down. So grab your imaginary passport and let's journey to the world's quietest and most serene destinations. Our first stop is the stunning island of Hydra, Greece. Picture this, stone mansions cascading down to a sparkling harbor with absolutely no cars or even scooters in sight. The only traffic you'll encounter here are gentle donkeys, water taxis, and your own to feet. The sound of footsteps echoing through ancient cobblestone alleys is pure magic. It's a place where time stands still, allowing you to soak in the authentic Greek island charm without any modern-day distractions. Next, we fly over to the Seychelles to discover La Digue. This island is an eco-dream come true. Forget traffic here. The main modes of transport are bicycles and traditional ox carts. You can pedal your way through lush vanilla plantations to reach some of the most photographed beaches in the world, like Anse sur Dargent. With its dramatic granite boulders, turquoise lagoons, and vibrant coral reefs, La Digue proves that the best way to explore paradise is at a wonderfully slow pace. From the tropics, we head to the United States to visit Mackinac Island, Michigan. Stepping onto this island feels like traveling back in time. Cars have been banned here since 1898. Instead, the air is filled with the clip-clop of horse-drawn carriages and the gentle whir of bicycles. You can explore historic forts, admire Victorian architecture, and indulge in the island's famous fudge. Mackinac is a charming slice of American history where a slower, more graceful way of life is beautifully preserved. Now let's journey to Southeast Asia, to the tranquil island of Koh Yao Noi in Thailand. Nestled in Phang Nga Bay, this island has resisted overdevelopment, focusing on sustainability and preserving its local culture. You won't find bustling roads here, just quiet paths leading to secluded beaches, lush mangrove forests, and peaceful fishing villages. It's the perfect place to unwind, practice yoga, and experience the slow-paced, authentic side of Thai island life. A short hop away are the Gili Islands in Indonesia. This trio of tiny coral-fringed islands Gili Trawangan, Gili Manado, and Gili Air has a strict no-motor vehicle policy. Life here revolves around the beach. You can cycle the entire circumference of an island in about an hour, stopping to snorkel with sea turtles right off the shore. Whether you're looking for a lively backpacker scene or a quiet romantic getaway, the Gilis offer a blissful escape with just bicycles and horse carts, known as Sidamos, to get you around. Number 5 might surprise you, Venice, Italy. Yes, it's technically an archipelago of 118 small islands. And what makes it so unique? A complete absence of cars. The streets are canals, the taxis are gondolas and vaporettos, and the highways are pedestrian bridges connecting centuries of art and history. Getting lost in its labyrinth of narrow alleyways is part of the adventure, revealing hidden squares, beautiful churches, and a city that floats on water in a timeless, magical way. Staying in Italy, we head to the wild and rugged Isola di Capraia. Part of the Tuscan Archipelago National Park, this volcanic island is a haven for nature lovers. It has only one small village and very few paved roads. The rest is pure, untamed wilderness perfect for hiking and diving. With crystal clear seas, dramatic cliffs, and an atmosphere of total serenity, Capraia is an off-the-beaten-path gem where you can truly disconnect and embrace the quiet power of nature. Next, we sail to the Caribbean to Little Corn Island, off the coast of Nicaragua. This is a true rustic paradise. There are no roads and no cars, period. The only way to get around is by following jungle trails on foot, which often lead to deserted white sand beaches and stunning turquoise coves. The vibe is incredibly laid back, perfect for diving, snorkeling, or just swaying in a hammock. Little Corn is the ultimate destination for anyone seeking a genuine, unplugged island experience. Our runner-up is the bohemian paradise of Holbox, Mexico. Located off the Yucatan Peninsula, this long, narrow island has banned cars in favor of colorful golf carts and bicycles. Its sandy streets are lined with vibrant street art and charming palapa-roofed restaurants. Holbox is famous for its shallow, emerald waters, flocks of flamingos, and the chance to swim with whale sharks in the summer. The breathtaking sunsets alone are worth the trip. And finally, our number one car-free island is Sark in the British Channel Islands. Here, cars are banned by law, making it one of the quietest places in the world. The only vehicles allowed are horse-drawn carriages and tractors for farming. Sark is a designated dark sky community, meaning the stargazing is absolutely phenomenal. With its dramatic coastal payas, wildflower-filled meadows, and pure, unadulterated tranquility, Sark is the ultimate peaceful escape. From the Mediterranean to the Caribbean, these car-free islands show us a different way to live, one that's quieter, more sustainable, and deeply connected to nature. Which one of these peaceful paradises would you visit first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to TravelFacts for more amazing journeys every week. Thanks for watching.